So right now with the doors open, but I would say smaller than and greater than. Of course, you can also close it with the key. The logo is already a little bit lower. And this, of course, is a pre-production vehicle. And of course, we will tell you more about this flat crankshaft V8. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we are here with this beautiful new second facelift AMG GLE 63 Coupe. It is the new facelift, as I mentioned, actually the second one, and in today's video I will show you the full exterior, interior, new gadgets, and of course we will tell you more about this flat crankshaft V8. So right here we have the full new design. We actually noticed that it is the same design language as in the E-Class and in the S-Class. So we have the headlights that connect to the grille. The grille is obviously larger, and for the real AMG, the 63, you have the edges on the side. It is called the A shape, but I would say smaller than and greater than on the other side. Then we have the Night 2 package, so that means darkened chrome around the grille. Also the vertical lines are in darkened chrome, as well as the front diffuser. It really matches beautiful with the exterior color, which is the mid-Ireland green metallic. A Faltenbach AMG emblem also in darkened chrome right there on the hood. And from all the changes we see for the GLE, the GLSs, in my opinion, the Coupe has a little bit less changes. In general, it is a huge facelift, the second one, but here on the rear we have the same tail light structure as we know before, so it is not connecting like the SUV one or the GLS. We have beautiful shape. This one has the carbon ceramic brakes. It is always in this golden touch. If you don't go for the carbon ceramic brakes, the AMG brakes, they can be chosen in red or in black. Night 2 package, so also chrome, darkened chrome at the door handles, and the V8 Bi-Turbo 4MATIC Plus, this in full darkened chrome. So let's go to the rear and I will show you the new tail lights. You can see how they illuminate in the beautiful shape, now with the Mercedes stars inside. And this is what I mean with less change, since it is just edgy point. We have darkened chrome Mercedes star in the center. The lettering is also now darkened chrome for the AMG, the Night 2 package, as well as the complete diffuser and the exhaust pipes. And this is the full-on AMG, so you don't need any AMG 2 packages or whatsoever. It already has the spoiler and just a beautiful shape, guys, how it comes down. The funny thing is, compared to the SUV, it doesn't need that much of a change because the Mercedes, the logo is already a little bit lower. The SUV, it just dragged it from higher to lower. So we have here the V8 Bi-Turbo, now with a flat crankshaft. I'm very curious, I will show you at the driving in another video, of course, more impressions. With this specific color, the mid-Ireland green, the darkened chrome blends in. It looks like it has this green touch because of the reflection. So let's have a look at what is under the trunk. You have this cover that you can open, just like that. Glimpse of the interior. And now we have the 63. So let's close the trunk. Of course, you can also close it with the key. Beautiful shape of the coupe. And let's have a look at the interior. First, the AMG rims. Beautiful. Also new soft closing doors, of course, with keyless entrance. So you can just put your hand on the door handle and it will close or open. Then we have here gloss carbon fiber door trim, AMG at the entrance, also right there. a logo with the Affalterbach AMG emblem. Right there, the super screen, 12.3 inches for every screen. This we already know from the Mercedes-Benz GLE. Completely different now is the steering wheel, full 63 AMG, now with the 12 o'clock mark. Beautiful chrome Mercedes star, gloss carbon fiber, and there will also be one available with full micro cut steering wheel. Then we have the diamond stitching over here with the diamond cuts and the Affalterbach AMG emblem on the headrest. So let's go inside. I will show you more of the gauges. Soft closing doors, of course. And we have this new AMG feeling inside. Definitely because of the steering wheel. Fully electric, of course. Amazing. I will just press the button for the electronics to work. There are these satellites up here. And this looks larger now. You can change it to different driving styles. The AMG Dynamics. You have the exhaust button. This is new because we used to have the sound button, but now it is back. Exhaust button. The ESP on or off. And this, of course, is a pre-production vehicle, so animation will change with the actual vehicle. And optionally you have the Alcantara, so the micro cut ceiling and pillars. And with this super screen you also have new displays because of the AMG, so complete new themes. Beautiful screens. Also here gloss carbon fiber as an option. It goes all the way through. And these are the new air vents. We know this from the Mercedes-Benz. Of course we also have the full ambient lighting over here with this handle to grab. This luckily stayed in the second facelift of the GLE. So right now we have this flat crankshaft. And also a lot of things changed in the hardware, including ESP differences. Amazing. So let's open the panoramic roof. It slides all the way through. So right now with the doors open, we notice the Affalterbach AMG emblem on the ground, but also the full shape. It is very attractive. Also beautiful location. The rear seats, of course, a little bit less practical because of the sloping roofline, the C-pillar. But nonetheless, amazing interior. It looks beautiful with the super screen in my opinion. Of course you have to get used to it, but it looks new. So let me close the door. Also with soft closing doors, of course. And this is full micro cut, so Alcantara. It is optional, of course. In the center we have cup holders. You can put your arm on it. And this thermometric air vent control system, so all zone climate control. Beautiful Napa leather seats, also optional, including the center console. And I really love the view from inside. On the ceiling you notice also ambient lighting around the Burmester surround sound stereo. Check out the new air vents. Amazing. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the new GLE 63 Coupe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.